I'm so glad that you're back to watch another video with us. Here we found an open fence and what looks like to be a ravine. So we're going for a little walk to go and check it out. It was a long walk down, but it looks like we're almost there. And yes, I love the sound of rushing water. And so there are some rocks. The kids have all rushed ahead of me because they were so excited to go and investigate this area. Look at all the beautiful colors, the yellows, the reds, the greens, the browns, and all the fallen leaves. Oh, did you catch it? Leah just fell. She slipped. The ground here was very slippery. I guess maybe after a rainfall, it wasn't a good idea to go for a walk. Just by looking at this place, you can tell the water was much higher at some point, but for some reason the water has vanished. But here are some little puddles, and you can see the trees that have fallen down, and yep. It's a good little place to have come during maybe the summer when it was warmer. Maybe there would have been much more water, I'm not sure, but it's something to look into for next time. I enjoy listening to the sound of the water, the rushing water. So here's a little pause for you to hear the sound of the rushing water, though it doesn't sound the same, but here it goes. This is such a beautiful place. As you can see, they were all a little nervous. Everyone's looking back because they don't know what the sounds are. It sounded to me as though someone was coming up behind us, but we continued to press on, and I had the baby. She wasn't interested in running, so I had to stop periodically and look around. was an experience, something that I don't think I'll do again. I think that if we're ever going to back to this place, we will be going down there in the summer and not as the sun is setting. So, yeah, my camera quality is not that great, but as you can see, all the leaves, just a beautiful day. If you have on a winter jacket, see, my other daughter had even a winter hat. They wore their rain boots because they thought they were going to be able to go in the water and maybe do some splashing and whatnot, but the water was a bit low, and where it was a puddle, it didn't look clean enough. So maybe next time. I hope you enjoyed this walk with us. And here they are walking backwards. They wanted to roll down the hill, but since I'm not familiar with the area, I told them no. So they're just going backwards down the hill, and it looks like they're having a good time doing that. Anyways, thanks for coming on another nature walk with us, and see you next time.